Hi, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Cole. Mrs. Matlock, Miss Athey, and myself would like to go over our technology expectations during this time of online learning. We're going to be talking about iPad expectations, commenting appropriately, and how to comment. So first of all, let's talk about the iPad expectations. You should be familiar with these for the most part, but iPads are a tool for learning. So what that means is that you should not be using the iPad to take a picture of your dog, for example. You should be the only person using the iPad. A lot of times people will let their younger brother or sister who doesn't know the iPad expectations use it, and then they end up doing something that they should not have done on the iPad. So you want to make sure that you are the only person using the iPad and that you are only using it for learning. When the iPad is at your house, we still want you to be really safe with it. So that means you shouldn't be searching anything at your house that you wouldn't search at school. Make sure that you are being safe and report anything unsafe to your parent or let one of us know. Also, we want to keep the iPad safe from any damages. Damages occur when you take the iPad out of the case. You should be keeping the case on your iPad at all times. You are still responsible for any damages that happen to your iPad when it is at your house. Okay, now we're going to talk about commenting appropriately. We will be doing lots of learning online, and it might happen where you have a question. So you might need to make a comment to Miss Athey, Miss Matlock, or me. When you make a comment, you need to make sure that the comment connects and that it is kind. So, for example, if you are going to make a comment on Google Classroom, you want to make sure that your comment connects to what we are talking about. It should only be about what the assignment is about. Also, the comment needs to be kind. So, while it is really nice if you want to comment, Mrs. Cole, you are the best teacher. Thanks for being my teacher. Well, that is really kind, but that does not connect to the learning that we were doing. So those kinds of comments should not appear on Google Classroom. Finally, we're going to talk about how to comment, and I'm going to show you how to do that on my screen. So first, I'm going to show you how to make a comment on Google Classroom. Okay, here is Google Classroom. I'm in the Math Google Classroom. So let's say I want to comment something. Okay, so sorry, I changed my page a little bit. But anyway, this is what you normally see on Google Classroom. What you will do is you will be able to add a comment right here. You could say something like, can you please help me on number 2? Then you can post your comment on Google Classroom that way. I will see it and be able to respond back to you on Google Classroom, or I can reach out to your parents on email. Another way that you might ask for help could be on Seesaw. So here is my class's Seesaw. If you want to post something, a comment on Seesaw, you could post your work from Notability just like normal. And then if you see at the bottom right here, underneath where you posted your work, you would be able to say comment, and I could actually see on Seesaw exactly what number you're stuck on. And so you could just say, I do not know how to find a factor of 6. can you help me? And you could post it on Seesaw just like that. It will say your name right here by it, and then I will be able to respond. Okay. I hope that those 2 ways are going to help you as you engage in commenting on this distance learning. If you have any more questions, I am happy to respond to your comments on Seesaw, Google Classroom, or your parents can email me. I look forward to learning with you through distance learning, and I wish you the best of luck. I'm here to support you in any way that you need.